Climate change and biodiversity loss are twin crises that can and should be tackled together. Nature-based solutions can help us to achieve this. Nature-based solutions to address and adapt to climate change and tackle biodiversity decline include the conservation and restoration of natural ecosystems. As climate change itself is a direct threat to species and ecosystems, these solutions will be most successful as part of ambitious climate action that decarbonises the global economy. NatureMap is a collaborative effort among several international organisations to identify potential areas for action to restore and conserve biodiversity and carbon. It aims to illustrate the scale of the global benefits possible, feeding into discussions on ambition under the Climate and Biodiversity Conventions, and to provide an approach that can be adapted for practical planning at national or subnational scale. The benefits resulting from ecosystem restoration depend on where and how the restoration happens. NatureMap used a mathematical optimization function to rank areas for restoration action that jointly achieve biodiversity and carbon objectives. For a given area target, this is much more efficient than focusing on one benefit at a time. Here, we looked only at the benefits of restoring transformed land back to natural ecosystems. Similar analysis could inform decisions on restorative actions in land remaining under cultivation, or restoration of degraded natural habitats. We also looked at the benefits of managing lands for conservation, taking the existing protected area networks as a starting point. These are amongst the areas showing in brown. Again, terrestrial areas were ranked through a mathematical optimization, this time considering biodiversity, carbon, and clean water provision. These global maps show the relative benefits of action in different parts of the world. As we collectively seek to deliver the ambition of the emerging post-2020 Global Biodiversity Framework and the Paris Agreement on Climate Change, countries can use similar approaches to do their own spatial planning. National scale mapping tailored to countries' own targets is needed to inform national scale policies. With this in mind, NatureMap-inspired national analysis is being undertaken in Argentina, Colombia, and Mexico. Of course, it's essential for real-life land use planning to be participative, informed by maps, but undertaken in collaboration and consultation with Indigenous peoples and local communities. To find out more, please visit the naturemap.earth website or search for our global maps on UN Biodiversity Lab. NatureMap gratefully acknowledges financial support from Norway's International Climate and Forest Initiative, NICFI.